Well, we'll do our best. This Nicotero Leatherface has grown on me, guys. I really like it. Ha ha ha. Shit, honestly, I just paid for the chainsaw. I didn't even like the skin at first. I still don't like the face, the mask, but I do like the fact that he's wearing a bolo tie. I love it. That's hilarious. Alright guys, I'm down here. We're trying to find these we're trying to find these dirty victims. Ooh, that's what I'm talking about. No, I was knocking out a crawl space. Yeah, I see, man. You gotta tell me, I know you already told me, but I gotta get those perks on here. I see him, I see him. That's one of them. It's Anna. I don't know where she went though. Oh, it's all good. You've already done a good amount of work. I always have problems finding people down here, so it's not. Honestly, they need to rework some of Leatherface's perks. Alright, I'm coming up. I'm coming up. Alright, I'm coming up. I'm coming up. I'm coming up. Shit. Alright, I just hit Sunny. Alright, I'm going up, guys. Alright, I'm going up. Nice. Alright, I'm upstairs. Oh, I see one of them. Leland's dead. Good job on the trap, hitchhiker. Give me that face, motherfucker. Might want to reset that kitchen trap, big dog. Did you get her? Good job, hell yeah. I'm gonna go feed Grandpa. Back door's still locked. Damn. No worries, no worries. I think he might have just ran into me. Was that Sunny or was that the hitchhiker? I can't feed Grandpa for some reason. You go ahead, hitchhiker. I don't know what's going on with... There he is. I see him. He's still downstairs. I'm going downstairs. Me and Hiker are both on him. He's totally fudged. Cool. He went the other way, Hiker. I think he went left. Oh, never mind. Me and Hiker are on him. Thank you. Yeah, I see. Good job. Ha 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 ha! Nice job, Hiker. Hiker got him. Good job, Hiker. Good job, Cook. We did it, boys. Good job, GG's. GG's. Follow me on Twitch, UW Viper. Tons of nice stuff. I got me on YouTube. Yay. What? So hold on. I'll look at it when we're in the next one. Because my Cook builds are kind of garbage.